Hello everyone, this is Manjusha Meher from Ignite Brain Begin Excel Exceed. Welcome back once again to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn one important topic of grade 7, that is linear equation. So we are going to discuss linear equation in one variable, two variable, etc. So let's start.
Okay, so let's start. Linear equation. Now just look at this problem. 3 added to a number gives 10. Find that number. We know here this is simply 7, right? Because 7 when added to 3 gives us 10. But this is not the reason why I asked this question. I wanted you to represent this problem in a simple way, right? So what we can simply write here is x plus 3 gives us 10, right? It means 3 when added to a number gives 10. We have just assigned a variable x to that number. Now this is equation, right? And it helps us to write the problem in a shorter way. So this is equation in one variable. As you can see here, we have used one variable x. So it is equation in one variable. Again, I repeat that we have used one variable x and that is unknown to us, right? So we call it as equation in one variable or linear equation in one variable. Why? Because the power of x is 1 here. That is, the power of x here is 1, right? So we call it as equation in one variable or first degree equation in one variable. Okay, so what we can see here is x plus 3 is equals to 10. Now here it is having one variable. Yes, it is having one variable, that is x, and the highest power of x is 1, right? So this we can call it as linear equation in one variable or first degree equation in one variable. Okay, so what we learned here is whenever in an equation we use one variable, that is x here, and if the degree of, or you can say the power of x is 1, so it is called linear equation in one variable. Okay. Okay, so they are called so because the highest degree of variable is 1. Okay, so two things to remember: one variable and the highest power, that is 1. So it is called as linear equation in one variable and first degree equation in one variable. Now we categorize this equation into 3 parts. Now first there is equal sign in the center. Can you see here? Yes, so this is equal sign or equals to sign at the center here, and to its left side here it is left hand side and it is called LHS. To the left hand side we call it as LHS, and to its right or right hand side it is called as RHS. I repeat, we categorize the equation into 3 parts. First is there will be is equal to sign at the center, and to the left it is left hand side and to the right it is right hand side. Okay, so what we need to do in such kind of problem is we just need to find the value of variable. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so that was all about linear equation in one variable. Now let's discuss linear equation in two variable here. So here you can see here 2x plus 5y is equal to 12, x minus y is equal to 4. So you must have seen equations like this. So these are the example of linear equation in two variable. As you can see here, each equation is having two variables in it, right? In the first equation here, x is variable and y is variable. So we have two variables here, that is x and y. But how do we generalize the equation, or how can we define it? So we can say here, basically, it is of the form ax plus by is equal to c. Or we consider ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 as the general equation for linear equation in two variables. Now, in this ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, this is the general equation for linear equation in two variables. But here we can see a, b and c are constant, right? It is constant, and x and y are variable. Constant means whose values cannot be changed. Variable, we don't know its value, right? And we have to find that basically. And here a is the coefficient of x. This a is the coefficient of x, and b is the coefficient of y. And this is why this is the general equation or general form of linear equation in two variables. Now, does it have any condition as well? Yes, let's see that. Okay, so the conditions are a, b and c are real number. It should be real number, right? And the next condition is a, b cannot be 0 together. Okay, a and b cannot be 0 together. That is the second condition. Okay, can you write the second condition in mathematical way? Just think, it's very interesting. Okay, so how we can write here is a square plus b square is not equal to 0. Got it? Here it implies that a and b cannot be 0 at the same time. Okay, either a will be 0 or b will be 0. That is our second condition, and this is the way with which we can write in mathematical way. Okay, hope this is clear. Okay, now coming to the next thing. Okay, so now we have equation in front of us, that is 2x plus 5y is equal to 12. What we have to do here is we have to find the solution of the equation. What do you mean by solution basically? Solution means we have to find the value of the x and y, right? So basically what we have to do, we have to find a pair of values which satisfies this equation, right? It means here this is left hand side and this is right hand side, right? As we have learned previously. Yeah, so let's try out the values for x and y which satisfies this equation. Okay, now let's put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Okay, so now let's try whether this is the solution or not. Okay, so when I put the values in left hand side, what I am getting, I'm putting value x is equals to 1. So in place of x, I'm writing 1, and here it is. So what is happening? Let's see. 2 multiplied by 1, it is 1, and 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. So what it is? 2 plus 2, 2 plus 10, sorry, that is 12. And that is equal to right hand side. Right? Yes. So what we are getting here is left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means the value x is equals to 1 and the value y is equals to 2 is the solution of this equation. Okay. Now let's just try out different value of x and y. Now just try whether x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. Is it the solution of this equation? Just try it out. Are you trying? Okay. But the answer is no. Let me tell you why. Okay, so when I'm putting the value x is equals to 3 and the value y is equals to 1, what I'm getting? Let's see. the left hand side. Equals to 1. Okay, so what I'm getting here is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and this is 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5. So this is 11. But is it equal to right hand side? No, the answer is no, and it is not equal to right hand side. Okay, so basically when we are substituting the value x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1, what we are getting is left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So that's all. It means this is not the solution of this equation. Okay. Got it? How to find the solution of the equation? We just need to put the values of x and y and check whether it is satisfying this equation or not. If it is satisfying, then yes, this is the solution of the equation. If not, then it is not the solution of the equation. Hope it's clear. Follow Ignite Brain for more learning. Thank you.